Hi, this is KK and you're watching KK Photography. If you're new to this channel, like and subscribe and tell me what you think about the video in the comment section. Let's get started. Today's video is all about Pallikaranai wetland and which I took from the Pallikaranai wetland. Pallikaranai wetland is a freshwater marsh in the city of Chennai. It is situated adjacent to the Bay of Bengal, about 20 kilometers south of Chennai city, and has a geographical area of 80 square kilometers. Pallikaranai marshland is the only surviving wetland ecosystem of the city and is among the few and last remaining natural wetlands of South India. How sad it is. It is one of the 94 identified wetlands under the National Wetland Conservation and Management Program, optionalized by the Government of India. Today we are going to see some of the photographs which I have taken. Of course, the video quality might not be as good as, but in future we'll definitely take care of that. Some of the common bird species which found near the Pallikaranai is cormorants, darters, herons, open-billed storks, spoonbills, white ibis, little grebe, Indian moran, black-winged stilts, purple morans. Most of these are spotted near the marshland. It was pleasure clicking photographs of these birds there in Pallikaranai, and we had a very good time in the evening. We started a little bit late, but we could reach an hour before the sunset. Quite a lot of birds we came to see, but most of the birds were quite a distance far, and you should actually have a very good lens to cover up all those things. I was using my Canon 100 to 400 Mark II. This obviously was a very good lens, sharp lens, but the distance I felt around 600 mm or 800 mm was actually you can see my daughter. She's using a binocular to watch the birds. She was seeing all the small birds, and she was very much interested seeing all those things. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. If you want to know more about Pallikaranai, you can contact me. You can comment on the comment section. And thanks for watching.